Hey yo, what's up guys and welcome back! Yeah! To some more Naruto Beyond. Today's video is a tutorial. And a tutorial that I'm not gonna cut past. So I'm still gonna edit some stuff in, but I am specifically not going to cut in this video because you guys need to follow pretty much every single step. So today's video is how to level up really fast in this game. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do is hop in the game just like how you would on any other game. Now, you guys may get lag cuz we're playing in the main world. Okay, that's weird. That's weird. Okay, I may need to turn the graphics. Okay, there it is. Okay. So, anyway, right now, I'm going to show you guys the best missions that you guys will do. Okay, Zetsu mode and training mode is good for like small things, but what I want to tell you guys is that it's easier to level up faster on like other stuff. Okay, let me rephrase that. It's easier to level up with Zetsu mode and training mode on lower levels, but on the higher levels, you're gonna want a lot of XP. So the best thing that I could recommend you guys is to do these missions. Is to walk around, do mainly the traveling missions because these are actually the best. But watch out for players because they do like to interfere. There's been a couple times where I just gotten killed by random players. I just run around. Now it's mainly a lot of these missions too. These are the main missions that level you up really high. I got to this level in like one day, rank 4, level 623 in one day. It may not be possible. I don't think it may not be possible for some people, but it was possible for me. So if I was able to do it, you guys should be able to do it. So anyway, this guy, I was mainly doing these missions. I did every single mission here. Once I got to D rank, I was able to do these missions. There'll be some times where these type of missions don't actually pop up. So you may want to run to other villages. But there are tons and tons and tons of missions that you guys can go around and do on this game here. So I mainly recommend you guys should stay in here and do missions here. It may be laggy at first, but once you get used to it, it's a lot better. The only reason I play Zetsu mode and training mode is because I get less lag and I get more quality video content and stuff like that. But this is a tutorial video on how to level up. Now, I won't be able to do the missions since I've kind of already did all of them, but I am not bluffing. I'm not capping, whatever you want to say. I'm not doing none of that because it is very, very true. Now, I did this one mission and I was at level 0. It boosted me to level 100. That's 100 levels that you just got boosted up. So if you do 6 of those missions, you level up 600 times. So it's really good. And then there'll be some missions that don't really level you up too much, but they still give you a lot of XP. I recommend doing a lot of these accurate missions because I'm pretty sure that's what they're called, and then doing also the training missions too. These missions are okay as well, the sensei missions, but they don't give you as much XP. But what I can tell you is that this guy here, if you do some of these missions here, which I'm pretty sure if I do that mission, I will come over here and I will fight some of these hidden leaf shinobi bandits or something, and those are very easy to beat. So if you're in a high level and you're just looking for a way to level up and to get to max rank, only thing you have to do is go on and do these missions. They're all over the place. So it'll pretty much be like they send you to one spot and you're going over there to go do missions, to go complete your mission. So once you're done completing that mission, they'll pretty much be, alright, let me give you an example. So let's say an enemy's over here and they tell you to come fight this enemy over here like 5 or 6 times. You beat that enemy 6 times and there's already another mission waiting on you right here. So it's just pretty easy to complete these missions. It's just a really fast way to level up, and it also gets you spins. But make sure you find missions that give you spins completely. But when you do level up a certain amount of levels, you actually do get spins. I have 0 tries right now because I was trying to spin for the Rinnegan. I ultimately did not wind up getting it, but since I already had the Rinnegan maxed out already, I was just trying to get it back so I can see how Chibaku Tensei works. But It's not the topic of the video. So pretty much all you have to do is go around and find these missions. And these missions are very easy to do. So I'm pretty sure someone already said something about this, but I've been trying to find videos that says what you guys, well, the fastest way to level up. And I couldn't really find any good videos that said anything about that. So I decided to make one myself, and this is how you do it. So make sure, even if they're high levels, it's worth the shot of even trying it on the lowest level. Because even though he's level 400, I was fighting him when I was level 0, and I boosted up to like level 160. So you guys get a lot of stuff on here. I needed to do another tutorial video because ultimately those are pretty popular videos. As you guys can see, if you guys go check out my channel, you guys can see the most popular video on my channel is the how to use single player commands. That's all I wanted to tell you guys today, because these missions are very good. And then also fighting the boss missions too are very, very good. Like fighting Itachi. Mainly I recommend fighting Pain and Haku and Zabuza. Itachi, okay. Mainly Itachi doesn't really give too much. That's all I want to say. But I don't really care. I just needed to tell you guys about this video because it is very useful and very informative, because if you're finding a good way to level up really fast on Naruto Beyond, because I know a lot of people are starting to play Naruto Beyond again. I don't know why. I don't know. I'm not really the highest level on Naruto Beyond. As you guys can see, I'm only a D rank 4. I don't really care, but I've played this game enough times to know how to do stuff and how to get around. So if you guys want more tutorial videos, go ahead and like the video, and also subscribe too. Go ahead and subscribe, man, because I don't get it. A lot of people watch the videos and they don't subscribe. Only takes one press or one click of a button just to subscribe. You don't even have to turn on the bell notification. Just go on and subscribe. Alright, so that is it for today's video. If you guys are still stuck on any problems and you guys are trying to figure out how you guys can level up even faster, go ahead and comment down below and tell me what you guys need help with. And without further ado,